The deadlock between the government and the opposition over the three contentious farm laws may continue for the fourth consecutive day as constant uproar by the opposing political parties has led to disruptions of Lok Sabha proceedings. MPs from 10 opposition parties have also written a letter to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla saying that the condition of farmers resembles prisoners in jail. On Thursday evening, the opposition members shouted slogans against the agri laws as the House assembled after the third adjournment at 7 pm. However, the House was adjourned for the fourth time till 8:30 pm as members did not yield to the request of the chair. Earlier in the day, when Lok Sabha assembled at 4 pm, members of the opposition started shouting slogans against the government and the agri laws. Few questions related to the Ministry of Roads and Highways were replied by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, but as sloganeering continued, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla asked the members to return to their seats. The government on Thursday informed Delhi High Court that it has taken substantial steps in the Republic Day violence and 43 FIRs have been lodged related to the violence during tractor parade. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told a bench of Chief Justices D.N. Patel and Jyoti Singh that police have registered 43 FIRs and 13 FIRs have been transferred to the special cell of Delhi Police. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on Wednesday told the Rajya Sabha that the government owed Air India 498.17 crore rupees in total dues on account of airfares for VVIP flights till the end of 31st of December 2020. According to the reports, Puri told Parliament, usually the credit period for Government of India departments varies from 15 to 30 days from the receipt of invoice and no interest is paid to Air India in case of non-payment within the credit period. Hours after the Joe Biden administration reacted to the farmer protest in and around New Delhi, India on Thursday said the comments must be seen in their entirety and appeared to compare the reactions and sentiments in the country after the incidents of violence and vandalism at the Red Fort on January 26th to those following the recent clashes at the US Capitol Hill. The US also said peaceful protest and unhindered access to the internet are hallmarks of a thriving democracy. Hours after the comments by the State Department in Washington and the US Embassy in Delhi, the Ministry of External Affairs said it has taken note of the remarks and that it is important to see them in their entirety and in the context of India's democratic ethos and polity. MEA spokesperson Anurag Srivastava said the protest must also be seen in the context of the ongoing effort of the government and concerned farmer groups to resolve the impasse. The Reserve Bank of India will be coming up with key decisions of the Monetary Policy Committee meet on Friday. This will be the first monetary policy decision after the Union Budget was presented on Monday. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in her Union Budget 2021 had proposed to borrow 12 trillion rupees for the next fiscal and an extra 80,000 crore rupees this fiscal.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free.
First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs.
So, hope to see you soon with our badges.